channel. I hope all of you are doing absolutely great. So do you all want to see what's the condition in Goa right now? You all want to see, right? So see, this is what Goa looks right now, guys. Raining, heavily raining. Since last night it was raining, guys. Roads are blocked, some have collapsed also, and my mom had gone to drop my sister at her tuition at 9:15 and she reached home now at 10:30, okay? And her tuition finished at 11 o'clock, so we are going again now. And I don't know what time we're gonna reach because it took her 1.5 hours to reach home. Usually it used to take her around 20 to 25 minutes, but now it has taken her 1.5 hours. So just imagine what time we're gonna reach. And the situation is bad, guys. I think a road, one place a car fell upside down. It fell down, a road collapsed. So just imagine what's the situation, and all the roads are blocked, and like we have to go on one route and then the road is blocked. We have to come back and search for another one. Let's see now what happens. See here, now they are waiting to clean the drainage and all. But the rain was also unpredictable, man, this time. On the weather forecast, it showed around 26th something that it will start raining. But it started early. Today is 21st. Look at the situation. This is nothing. We all say in front, what will be coming. Look at the traffic, guys. Oh my god. Shit. Can you believe one day of rain has caused so much destruction here? So that road, you know that bridge in Ravanfond, which takes you to the powerhouse. So that road is blocked. So we asked the police why that road is blocked. He told us that the bridge the halat of the bridge is bad, okay, and a part has already collapsed, and if it keeps raining continuously, the bridge is going to collapse. Can you believe? That bridge has been there for so many years. Just one day of rain has caused so much destruction here in Goa, and this is just the beginning. See, guys, here and all the road is fine. You know, this place is developed and you can see there is no water. You know, the road is not flooding and all. Smooth like this side is, but that side, oh my god, shit, horrible. Now there are like 5 to 10 minutes for her tuition to finish, and I don't know now what time we're gonna reach. Hopefully we'll reach on time since we've taken this road. So let's see. Okay guys, so today is 21st of May and I'll try to post this video today only, okay? I'll try because these days I'm super busy because of my college stuff, since my results are out and all. So my college will be starting soon and I have to gather and submit all the documents and all, and my college is my first priority. So I'm focusing more on that, okay? And that's why my vlogs are delaying and I'm not consistent. But don't worry, I have a lot of content which I have to post a lot. There's a lot to post. When I get time and when I'm free, I'll sit, edit and post everything, okay, for y'all. I have recorded a lot for y'all to see. But this video, this current situation, I'm going to post it today. I'll try to post it today anyhow by sitting, because you all also have to see all the outsiders who are not in Goa right now. You all also have to see the current situation, okay, of Goa, what's happening right now. So guys, we picked her and now we are going back home. They said there are chances for the whole bridge to collapse. Yeah, continuously.
Don't need to go that side if they have to say police. Stop the place.
The roads will be probably closed that side.
Later, then we will not go for school.
That's not the only way you go to your school. There are many other ways. And see here, mini swimming pool. Whoosh. Oh my god. Shit. The God only can save us now in this rain. Don't know what's going to happen. This is just the beginning, guys. Just the beginning. The first day of heavy rainfall has caused so much. Oh shit. Look at this pothole, guys. Oh my god. Oh, they filled it. But even the look, man, look at the state of these roads. So many potholes now at night and all. How are people supposed to know that there is a pothole, especially the ones traveling on the bike and all? Look, now they are waiting to fill everything. How in this one night, how can they manage to fill everything? Look here. See. You can see how they are waiting now. And see the water here. Water. Last time it had reached on top, the water. Oh my god. You can see. Shit. Our house is so close to this, man. Oof. Imagine the water reaches inside our home. We'll be gone. Guys, finally we reached home. And look at the water here also. You should have seen last night what was the state. Swimming pool, river, it had become a river. I thought we would reach late, but not so late also. We are on time. Emergency, I simply carried juice and all. No guarantee, no what time we'll reach. Lunch and all. What if we reach evening and all. So I simply carried this juice, ABC juice. At least we sat in the car and drank this. Now finally we are going home. I'm so happy that we reached on time. Get inside. Chalo, we'll reach. Now let's see what Ronaldo is doing inside. Where is he? Oh, Ronaldo! You're really good inside. Okay guys, that's it for today. I didn't have a lot for today. Only just wanted to show you what's the current situation here in Goa to my fellow Goans who are abroad right now in UK, Ireland, Kuwait and different parts of the world. So yeah, that was it for today guys. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more. Okay, keep supporting me. Until then, bye.